Good morning everyone. My name is Lyra Pilocre. I'm from BSBA 4E. Let's proceed about top 10 companies or businesses that excel during pandemic.
Top 10 companies or businesses that excel during pandemic. GrabFood, Foodpanda, Lazada, Shopee, Universal Robina Corporation, Globe Telecom, PLDT, ABS-CBN, Netflix, SM Investments. GrabFood. In Philippines, Grab is the ride-sharing and food delivery app. Through its app, user may order meals and groceries, arrange rides and make payments. Marketing tactics, online ordering and delivery, social media marketing, health-conscious marketing.
Sa GrabFood naman po, ito yung ginagamit natin during pandemic. Hanggang ngayon naman po, di ba? So, ito yung ginagamit natin for groceries, pasabay, for arrange the rides, and also to order the meals. Kasi nga po, di ba, din time ng quarantine, sa isang pamilya po, isa lang po ang pwedeng lumabas. So, ang ibang family, ito yung apps na ginagamit nila para hindi sila hassle sa gawain. So, ito yung nakakatulong sa kanila nun. So, marketing tactics na ginamit ni GrabFood, which is yung online ordering and delivery. So, sa pamamagitan niyan, sabi ko nga kanina, walang hassle. May time pa rin yung magbanding mga family dahil doon kasi yung services ni GrabFood na ang gagawa para sa kanila, para mamili, ganun po. Next is social media marketing. Ang social media marketing naman po, ito yung pinopromote nila yung apps nila through IG, Facebook, advertisement, para makakuha pa ng mga customers upang gumamit ng GrabFood apps. And health-conscious marketing. So, may health-conscious marketing din po sila, which is yung mga delivery personnel nila, binibigyan nila ng personal protective equipment para din po makaiwas sila sa COVID nga po noon. And next is
Foodpanda is an international platform for meal delivery that works in a number of nations. It enables users to place online orders for delivery of food from nearby eateries. Marketing tactics, promotions and discounts, increased marketing efforts, focusing on customer satisfaction.
So, dito naman po kay Foodpanda. Si Foodpanda naman po ay isang international platform na ginagamit sa buong mundo. Sa buong mundo na po. Si GrabFood naman po kasi, siya lang yung ginagamit natin dito sa Pilipinas. Si Foodpanda, meron po silang, meron na sa Thailand, ganyan po. So, same lang din po sila ni GrabFood, pero wala po silang ino-offer na rides, like kay GrabFoods. Same lang silang pagdi-deliver ng mga meals, like that. And sa marketing tactics naman po, promotions and discounts. Sa promotion and discounts po, nagpo-post sila ng mga codes, mga ganun po, para meron po magamit yung mga customer nila. And dahil po doon, sa tactics na yon, sa marketing tactics na yon, o strategies na yon, napapanatili nila yung mga customer na maging loyal sa apps nila. Ganun. So, increase marketing efforts. Sa increase marketing effort, katulad lang din po kay GrabFood, yung po yung pagpo-post po sa social media to promote their products or services and focusing on customer satisfaction. Yun po yung pinakamahalaga kay Foodpanda sa pag-focus ng customer satisfaction para ma-build pa lalo yung relationships nila ng customers. Next is
Lazada is an online shopping website with operations through Southeast Asia. Customers can order a variety of goods from it, including electronics, clothing, and cosmetic products and have them delivered to their houses. Marketing tactics, offering promotions and discounts, focusing on customer satisfaction, implementing health and safety measures. Shopee. Another e-commerce website that operates in Southeast Asia is called Shopee. Users can shop for a variety of things and have them delivered right to their houses thanks to this service. Marketing tactics, offering promotions and discounts, introducing new services, implementing health and safety measures.
So, sa e-commerce natin, which is yung Lazada and Shopee, familiar naman po sa atin yan. Ginagamit naman po natin yan sa araw-araw, lalo na wala na tayong time pumunta sa mga stores, sa mga shops, or sa SM para bumili ng mga kailangan natin. So, ito yung apps na to, nagpapagaan sa araw-araw nating kabuhayan. Bakit? Kasi, di na tayo mamamasahe, di na tayo mapapagod para lang pumunta sa shops, stores, or sa SM para lang bumili ng mga needs natin. And sa Shopee, ginagamit din talaga natin to dito lang sa Pilipinas. Si Lazada naman po is pang-international. So marketing tactics nila, halos magkaparehas lang din kasi pinopromote nila ito sa pamamagitan ng social medias like Facebook, IG, or maybe Twitter, and then introducing new services. So, introducing new services, ito yung pumapaloob dyan yung live streaming, yung may mga events po, may mga gamings para makapag-earn ng mga discounts, discount codes, or mga free shipping fee vouchers. Next is
Universal Robina Corporation, a food and beverage corporation with operations throughout numerous Southeast Asian nations, is called Universal Robina Corporation. It manufactures a wide range of goods such as instant noodles, biscuits, and snacks. Marketing tactics, offering promotions and discounts, introducing new products, focusing on customer satisfaction. Globe Telecom, promotions and discounts.
So, sa Universal Robina Corporation, ito naman po yung mga ito yung corporation na nag-operate ng mga food, snacks, biscuits, like that. And yung marketing tactics nila, offering promotion and discount, ganun din po, may mga porsyento din po, kunyari may sales sila, ganyan, para mabili po agad ng mga tao at magustuhan agad ng mga tao. And dahil po doon, nabibuild niya ulit ng new relationship para sa mga bagong customers. And so introducing new products, example na lang po yung mga products na lalo na po ng pandemic, naglabas sila ng mga pampaboost ng immune system, drinks po yun, or maybe yung mga biscuits na para sa mga bata na pampaboost ng immune system para hindi agad tayo madapuan ng mga sakit. Next is
introducing new products, focusing on customer satisfaction. Globe Telecom. Globe Telecom, based telecom provider, it provides internet and data services as well as mobile and fixed line phone services. Marketing tactics, offering promotions and discounts, increase marketing efforts. PLDT, another telecom firm with operation in the Philippines is PLDT. It is one of the biggest telecommunication firms in the Philippines and provides services comparable to those of Globe Telecom. Marketing tactics, offering promotions and discounts, increase marketing
yung Globe Telecommunication and PLDT. Ito yung mga telecommunication companies na laging ginagamit ng mga tao during pandemic. Dahil po sa kanila, nababawasan yung anxiety, yung stress, dahil may wifi nga, may internet sa loob ng pamamahay. So, kahit na quarantine pa yan, basta may wifi, may data, swak po. Hindi sila maboboring kasi marami pong napapanood sa Facebook, YouTube, or magpapatugtog lang sila sa mga Spotify, o ganyan po. So, yung marketing tactics nila is same lang din, which is offering promotions and discounts. Ito po yung mga services nila na like nung free data, call credits, then para po ma-engganyo yung mga customer na ma-purchase yung kanilang services. Next is
ABS-CBN. The ABS-CBN Group is a global media and entertainment company with operation in the Philippines. In addition to creating a variety of television shows, movies, and other content, it also manages radio stations and other media venues. Marketing tactics, offering promotions and discounts, engaging with customers on social media.
So, dito sa ABS-CBN Entertain, which is also known as ABS-CBN Group, ito yung entertainment company na laging pinapanood natin like that, like sila Cardo Dalisay, na hindi mo tapos hanggang ngayon, charot. Sila Vice Ganda, nakakapagpa-good vibes, makakapag-change ng mood, di ka malulugmo, kasi nakakatawa yung mga pinapalabas nila. So, yung marketing tactics nila is offering promotion and discount. Dahil po doon, dahil sa offering na yon, mayroon po silang ino-offer na free access to their streaming and platforms na I Want TFC. So, engaging with customer on social media, ito yung to promote their products, which is to help to increase the brand awareness and brand loyalty ng mga customer dun sa product natin or services natin dito sa ABS-CBN Entertainment. Next is
Netflix. Due to the rise in the demand for at-home entertainment options, Netflix, a streaming entertainment provider, had a huge increase in subscribers and revenue during the epidemic. Marketing tactics, offering promotions and discounts, introducing new content. SM investment.
So, sa Netflix naman po, entertainment din po siya na companies or businesses dito sa Pilipinas. So, sa Netflix, isa din po yan na apps na kinawiwilihan ng mga Pilipino, lalo na maraming movies. And dahil po dun sa sa marketing tactics nila,
Entertainment options.
which is offering promotion and discount. Dito naman po sa offering and promotion discounts, may free trial sila and nire-reduce nila yung subscriptions rates. Then, introducing new content like yung mga documentaries, may mga bago silang pinapalabas, ng mga may nagpapatawa, may ganun po, mga mysteries na kinagigiliwan ng mga Pilipino. Next is
A multinational corporation with operations in the Philippines is called SM Investments Corporation, one of the largest companies in the Philippines. It holds a stake in a variety of sectors including retail, banking, and real estate. Marketing tactics, offering virtual shopping experience.
investment. This is my last companies or businesses na nag-excel during pandemic. CSM Investment Corporation. Ito po yung largest companies na matatagpuan dito sa Pilipinas na nag-holds ng stakes in variety of sectors na including retailing, banking, and real estates. So, yung marketing tactics nila is offering virtual shopping experience. Bakit po? Kasi po, they charge us po na online shopping to ensure that customer could skill purchase what they need. So, hindi lang po yun. So, may banking na rin po and real estate na dahil po doon, nakakatulong sila sa mga nangangailangan, lalo ng mga estudyante. Tapos, meron din po sila mga libreng pag-ensayo pag-ensayo, mga ganun po, mga training, ayun po. May mga libreng training po sila sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho, ganyan po, and marami pa po. Yun lang po, and maraming salamat.